An accused murderer in St. Louis may walk free before he even faces trial because no one from the prosecutor's office bothered to show up to try the case. And the issue is not the strength of the case. Police say surveillance video captured the entire shooting. And there's an eyewitness who was in the car with the alleged shooter near the city's iconic Gateway Arch more than a year and a half ago. 18-year-old Jonathan Jones is accused of shooting 29-year-old Brandon Scott as Scott drove in downtown St. Louis back in September of 2021. Scott, who was shot multiple times, was found dead inside the driver's seat of a bullet-ridden blue Dodge Charger. Surveillance video of the actual shooting led police to a woman who said she was in the car with Jones at the time. Another man, Mark Perry, was also arrested in Scott's murder. That case is still pending. So, with seemingly all of that evidence, how could Jones's entire case be on the verge of being dismissed? The judge is now threatening to hold progressive St. Louis Circuit Attorney Kim Gardner in contempt of court. She has a week to tell the judge why she shouldn't be put behind bars herself. Gardner's office has already been under heavy scrutiny for being, as one former judge puts it, quote, near total collapse, because, believe it or not, this has happened before. Back in July of 2021, a judge dismissed a murder case against Brandon Campbell after prosecutors from Gardner's office didn't show up. It turns out the prosecutor in charge of the case was on maternity leave, but was still somehow being assigned cases. And in this most recent murder case, it seems the prosecutors in charge of Jones's case was out on sick leave. The judge is now demanding Gardner's office show why she should not be held in criminal contempt and ordered to pay a fine or face jail time. Quote, this conduct thwarts and defeats the authority of the Circuit Court of the City of St. Louis. The no-shows by prosecutors actually happened on the eve of another hearing where the Missouri Attorney General is seeking to have Gardner removed from office altogether. The Republican AG, Andrew Bailey, filed the suit back in February after it was discovered that the driver in a high-profile car crash had violated his bond for an armed robbery case more than 50 times, yet still remained free. And that driver, 21-year-old Daniel Riley, ended up hitting a Nashville teen, Janae Edmondson, who was in town for a volleyball tournament. Edmondson lost both her legs in the crash. So the accusation by critics here is that not only is this prosecutor's office a total mess, not only could this DA end up getting in serious trouble herself, but another murder defendant could go free based on sheer incompetence. Joining me now is Andy Banker, anchor and reporter for the Nexstar affiliate in St. Louis. He has been covering this case and Kim Gardner more broadly. Thanks very much for coming on the program. Appreciate it. First, let me start with the Jones case. This seems like they feel like they have a strong case that prosecutors would be eager to take to trial, right?
Yeah, slam dunk, Dan. It was supposed to start 3 days ago. No one showed up from the circuit attorney's office. We later find out that's because the attorney handling the case was on sick leave. But no one told the judge. No one asked the judge for a delay. No one said, hey, we have an attorney on sick leave. Can we delay this? And this defendant, Jonathan Jones, has invoked his right to a speedy trial. The judge says that means this trial has to wrap up by next Wednesday, April the 26th. He has set a court date for Gardner to appear on a possible contempt charge for Monday, the 24th. So the clock is ticking, and it very much looks like this may be another murder defendant in the city of St. Louis who goes free because of mismanagement in the circuit attorney's office.
I was going to ask you, so it does sound like it's likely at this point that the judge is going to dismiss the case entirely?
I mean, it's possible. The intimation from him and in his court order is that his hands are tied. This man, the accused killer, Jonathan Jones, has a right to a speedy trial. That means, according to the judge, that it has to be completed by April 26th. The legal clock has been ticking for a while in this one, and they thought, no problem, they'll get it done starting April 17th. Yeah. But no one showed up to prosecute the case. So in that earlier case you mentioned, Brandon Campbell, now he did get rearrested, and he pleaded guilty to manslaughter a month or two ago, and he got sentenced to 15 years.
Is this office in that much disarray? I mean, is it that bad that they literally don't know if people are showing up to try murder cases?
It's a daily occurrence, not, dysfunction of this type. But yeah, I mean, we cover this day in, day out. Kim Gardner, the progressive circuit attorney, has been under fire for a number of years.
Thank you for watching. Go to newsnationnow.com to find NewsNation on your cable provider. And don't forget to click the red subscribe button below to get more of NewsNation's fact-driven, unbiased coverage.